How do I program a universal remote for a Sharp TV without a code?
Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're going to learn how to program a universal remote for a Sharp TV, even if you don't have the code. The steps can be simple if followed correctly, so let's get started.
Why use a universal remote?
A universal remote is a great tool to minimize the number of remotes you need to operate your electronic devices. It can control multiple devices, including your TV, DVD player, and stereo system, all in one place. Today, we're focusing on programming this remote for a Sharp TV.
What if you don't have the code?
Most of the time, programming a universal remote requires a specific code that matches your TV brand. But what if you don't have the code? No worries. We can use the auto search method, where your remote will search for a code that works with your TV.
Steps to program your universal remote.
Follow the steps below to program your universal remote. 1. Turn on your Sharp TV. Ensure that it's plugged in and receiving power. 2. Point the remote at the TV. Ensure that there are no barriers between the remote and the TV. 3. Press and hold the Setup button on your remote. Release it when the remote's indicator light stays on. 4. Press the TV button. The indicator light should blink once and then stay on. 5. Press the Channel Up button. Do this slowly, allowing the TV to recognize each command. As you press Channel Up, the TV will turn off when the correct code is found. 6. Press the Mute button immediately when the TV turns off. This action will save the code.
Verify the remote's functionality.
After programming, check the remote's functions. Make sure the volume, power, and channel buttons work. If they do not, repeat the steps above. That's it. You've now learned how to program a universal remote for your Sharp TV without the code. Keep in mind that the exact buttons and process might vary slightly depending on the brand and model of your universal remote. But overall, this should give you a good starting point. We hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your all-in-one remote control experience.